Chloe's going to read us a book she got for Easter. What is it called?
Hot Dog.
Okay, turn the page.
Dog is hot and mom is not. Go play, dog. Dog is hot, cat is not. Wait, did we make it?
I don't think so.
No way, dog. Dog is hot, pig is not. Oh no, dog. Dog is hot, boy is not. Too slow, dog. Too slow.
I can't be good.
Dog is hot, sheep is not. Ah, go away. Shoo shoo, dog. Why did he say shoo?
Shoo shoo.
Shoo shoo, dog. Dog is hot. Dog is not. Yeah. P.U. dog. Dog is hot, girl is not. Silly dog. Dog is cold in the
What's that last word?
pool. Pool.
In the pool.
In the pool. Cold dog.
No, sound out the first word.
Cold.
No.
Cold. Cold dog.
What does this word say?
Cold.
Turn it around so you can read it. What does it say?
Old.
Ch, ch. The C and H make it ch, ch.
Chili dog.
Good job.
Chili dog.